Guys, welcome to Revit tutorials. So now we are going to see some new type of staircase in our Revit. So we will open our Revit software. So we have opened our Revit software, go to units. So here we are going to take it as centimeters, right? Click on OK. So if we go into east, so here we have taken as this 310 centimeters, right? So means it is 3.1 meters. So now we will go to our level 1. Now we have to take our stairs, right? So we can do by bounding or we can take direct run. So go to edit type. So here we are going to take. So if we take industrial and assembly, so it will be different, right? So we will take this monolithic stair, and if you go to edit, you can use these calculations or else whatever we want. Okay. So here we can select all these parameters. So here we have the minimum thread diameter. So if we select this thread category, you can select the materials whichever we want, right? You can select the glass, right? So there's a thread and riser also I'm going to take. You can take whatever material we want, right? You can take like this plastic or so like it's some different categories, so don't say like we have taken like that. So just I'm showing you how to take and what are different materials, right? So here I have all the overlapping, the text size, what is the area and the thread material. So here we have the thread depth, thread thickness, centimeters, right, and the nozzle length as 0, and we have the maximum riser height is 18. Okay, so begin with riser and with riser. So we also do this, right? So we want and with riser also, right? So we can the rise and thread connection. We can select this, right? So we can trim the stringers, vignettes, right? Okay. So now here we have the number of steps, right? So we can increase over to this to 30 also, right? So actual thread and that it will include, right? So now we're going to can add over this, right? So for that I'm selecting over here. So I'm giving this one at a height of 300. So go to again run. So here I'm going to select over like this and some distance over here. And again we can do this, right? So now again I'm going to add from here, right? Some more steps. So and also we can add some more steps over here. So here we can see the path, right? So here we can see one, so how many 28 rises are created, right? So like 28 steps has been raised. So now if we go to click OK, so our stair can be executed, right? You go to 3D. So when we go to this to realistic, so here we can see, so our threading is of glassing, right? So if you want to edit, so we can go to edit, select our stairs, go to edit. So we can take this thread material as table. Under this wood cherry, you can apply and OK. So now we can see our staircase with this type of wood, right? So we can change these railings also, right? So here we have different types of railings. So this 900 M5, this 900 M5. So see here we can select this kind of railing also, right? So now here we can see this is how we can add it over this, right? So we can see the nosing or everything over here, right? Or else we can add the glasses also, right? For this type of structure we can add the glasses, frames and everything we can add over here, right? So once we will select this and again go to edit. So here I am going to select this as stone 2, okay, so it will load, right? So you can change the railings, go to edit. So you can edit these rail structures, right? So the baluster placements and everything we can click over here, right? So here we have the rectangulars. So and material also we can select this by doing some this type of glazings, apply, okay. So see the railing has applied with glazings. So like this you can edit every part of this staircase, right? So now we will see once after we'll do some what rendering, right? So we will go to our render. So I'm taking this as my best quality, right? So we are taking with no clouds, the exterior only, right? So click on render. So now the rendering will start, right? So now we can able to see our rendering has started, right? So you can see over here. So here we can see it is rendering our structure. So you can see here it is rendering, right? So we are about to complete our stairs, right? So see guys, here we can see our staircase, right? So it is a 3/4 ton staircase, right? So we can save our model like this. So this is our model in Revit. This is after rendering. So like this we can create any type of staircase in our Revit software, and we can also edit however we want, right? Thank you.